In this video, I will show you how you can remove all the viruses from your iPad 11 A16. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPad Storage, and over here just scroll down and look for any app which you don't remember installing. Also look for any suspicious app which you have installed recently, and after you find it, then just tap on it and select Delete App. Now just do that for any suspicious app which you don't remember installing or which you have installed recently. After you've done that, now in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just scroll down and look for the Safari web browser. Now after you find it, then just tap on it, and over here just scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. From here just select All History, then enable the toggle for Close All Tabs. Then tap on Clear History. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the Files app. In the Files app, just open the Downloads folder, and over here just check if there is any file which you don't remember downloading. Now if you find any file which you don't remember downloading, just tap on Select and select those files, then tap on Delete. Now after you delete the selected files, then go to the Recently Deleted section and tap on Select. Now just select all the files which you have deleted, then tap on Delete and select Delete. Now after you clear the recently deleted section, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just perform a hard reset on your iPad. Now just keep in mind that this process will delete all the data of your iPad, including all your photos and videos which are saved on your iPad. To do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. As you can see over here, it is saying that all the apps and data will be deleted. Also, it will sign you out of your Apple ID, and it will erase all your data from your Find My. Now to continue the hard reset process, just tap on Continue and select Erase iPad. And by doing that, you'll erase all the data from your iPad, including any harmful app or file which you might have downloaded. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.